Hey there! Having trouble with your iPhone's front camera while during video calls? Whether you're using FaceTime, WhatsApp, Facebook, or any other app, I've got 4 quick solutions that could fix your problem. But before we dive in, let's rule out any hardware issues first. Check for hardware issues. Open the App Store. Tap the search bar. Type "Check my device" and install the app. Launch the app. Find and select the microphone option. Try recording something and then play it back. If you hear the playback, your hardware is fine. If not, it might be a hardware problem. So you will want to try the following solutions. Solution 1. Allow microphone access to apps. Open your Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down again and tap on Microphone. Now, ensure that the toggles for the apps you use for video calls are enabled. Solution 2. Offload the app. Open Settings again. Scroll down and tap General. Scroll down and select iPhone storage. Find the app that's causing issues, up as an example. Tap on Offload App. Tap Offload App again to confirm. Finally, tap Reinstall to get the bad app on your phone. Solution 3. Turn off microphone restrictions. Go back to your Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Scroll down once more and tap Contact and Privacy Restrictions. Now, toggle this feature off to remove any restrictions on your microphone. Solution 4. Reset your iPhone's microphone settings. Open Settings one more time. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down again and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Choose Reset All Settings. This will reset your network and all settings to default, so only proceed if you're okay with that. After that, your mic should start working again. If you're still having issues, it might be a hardware problem, and you will need to take your device to Apple Care for further assistance. Thanks for watching!